In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Discord following our comprehensive 2025 guide. This integration will allow you to streamline your workflow by receiving notifications from Trello directly in your Discord channel, making team collaborations more efficient. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and log into your Trello account. If you haven't already, ensure you're using the correct credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific board you wish to connect to Discord. This is crucial because each board might need individual integrations depending on your needs, ensuring that notifications are tailored to the specific team or project. With your board open, what you need to do next is click on the Power Ups button. Power-ups are essentially Trello's way of integrating with other apps, and Discord is one of them. By clicking on this button, you'll open up a menu that will allow you to add new functionalities to your Trello board. Now, from this Power-ups menu, look for an option to Add Power-ups. Click that, and a search bar should appear. In the search bar, type Discord. This action will bring up a list of power-ups related to Discord. It might take a moment to load, so be patient. Once the options are displayed, locate the Discord notification power-up, click on it to open a detailed view where you can learn more about its capabilities and how it benefits your workflow. This feature will enable you to receive live updates on your Discord server whenever there's activity on your Trello board. After you've read through the information, which I highly recommend, click on the Add button to install the power-up on your Trello board. This will initiate the process of connecting Trello with your Discord account. Follow any prompts asking for permissions or authorizations, as it's essential for the integration to function correctly. Once the power-up is added, return to your board. You'll notice a new icon or option, often represented by a bell indicating the notification settings. Click on this bell button to access the customization options. Here, you have the flexibility to determine which types of notifications you want to receive on Discord. This could range from card movements, comments, due date changes, and more. Tailor them to suit your team's needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Trello board to Discord, ensuring you and your team stay updated seamlessly. This integration is a simple yet powerful tool to keep everyone in the loop without switching between platforms constantly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.